Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia Olivia, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my brows. If you're new to doing brows, this is very beginner friendly, so stay tuned. First, I'm going to start out by brushing my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the color dark brown. Right now I barely have any brows because I went to the nail salon and I let them wax my brows and they just do whatever they want. Then I am going to use, and I'm just going to trace the outside of my brows. And then I'm just going to draw in hairs. You just want to follow the shape of your natural brow. If you miss some hairs, just go back over it. The good thing is, when you conceal all of the messed up parts that you leave, you'll no longer be there. Just trace your tail. Then I'm just going to add a little extra because I don't like them this thin. Then I'm just going to brush this out again. And you want them to look as natural as possible. Then I'm just going to take my Anastasia brow definer and I'm just going to color in by using strokes upward to color in the empty spots. I don't want to put too much towards the front because it gives it that nice ombre effect. Then I'm going to go in on the other side and just brush again. I'm going to brush it upwards so all the hairs are nicely defined. And you can just follow the shape of the brow. I don't got a tail on this side. They mess my brow up. I don't know if I can say shit. I don't got a tail on this side. They mess my brows up. But I'm just gonna trace it. Sometimes it's harder to trace with the opposite hand, so if you want to use the same hand that you normally do things with, just use that hand. On this side I have to draw in a little brow because this side had a brow, this one is a little jacked up. Towards the front you want to just flick up. Gives it that natural hair effect. Just gonna brush this out. And then I am going to go in with the brow definer and fill in the empty spaces. So here's where we get a little tricky. So you want to brush inward. If you want that ombre effect, you're going to brush inward, like flicking it. It's just to remove some of the color towards the front of the brow. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Then we're gonna go in with the Brow-Zo Oh, I can't get this out my mouth. Then we're gonna go in with the Brow-Zo Conditioning Primer by Benefits. Mine's a little old. I need a new one. That's what it looks like. I ain't buying a new one until it runs out. And you're just going to use this right on top. This helps making the brow hairs look very natural, very sharp, pretty. Brushing upward with the hairs towards the front, and you are brushing down towards the tail. Sure everything is even. I'm just going to sharpen the tail over here. And sharpen the tail on this side. And then I am going to go in with my concealer. You want to either use 2 shades lighter underneath and foundation if you're doing everything on the top, or you can use 1 shade lighter of concealer than your natural shade and just line both of your brows, the top and bottom. So today I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm just going to use the brush it comes with, and I'm going to trace. And you know what the good thing is about this? This costs $1.99. $1.99. I would buy the whole store if it was filled with this. This works with everything. Concealing under your eyes. Nice, affordable. Anyways, so I'm just going to trace the outside of my brow. I'm going to trace underneath. If you get any of the hairs, it's okay, don't worry. You can always go back in. Pencil or pomade. For people who have a little bit of a unibrow, you can put here some concealer. I have no hair there, never grows, but if you do, you can always do that. I'm just gonna go in with a brush. You can use your finger if you want to, if that's easier for you. I used to use my finger, but it's just too messy. You're gonna go in with a brush, a nice flat, angled brush. This is the e.l.f. concealer brush, and you're just gonna smooth it in. You don't want it to be all extra light skin looking. So you're just gonna make sure you keep blending it till it's nice and light. And you're gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna trace the shape of your brows. If you have like a smudge brush, you can use that also. And you're just blending it out. You're gonna try not to get any of the hairs. If you hear that noise in the background, my husband's making shirts. And I'm gonna show you how to fix something that I just messed up. to fix the brow. See, like right here where it's not even, you're just going to go back in with the pencil and draw that line in. I'm just going to go back in with the same concealer. It still has product on it, so I'm just going to clean up that line. Just going to blend that in. Those who want perfect brows. Brows are like sisters. They are not twins. Especially people who get their eyebrows done and they don't got a really good professional doing it. But you just want to get it as close as possible looking as the other one. See how this side is just nice and full throughout. This side I had to fill in, but this side is perfect. If you feel like you put too much product, you can always go back in with like a blending sponge, a small one, or your finger, and just like wipe off a little bit of the product. Any harsh lines that you make from blending it out, you can just brush up in the middle. The closer you get in to the tail, you want to just keep the shape, but wipe away the excess. And then I'll show you what I mean. See, it's a little pasty. Using, I think this is from e.l.f. or Beauty Sponge, can't remember. I bought it from Sephora. Could just use that and wipe off a little bit of the excess that was left there. And this is how I do my brows. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a comment down below for what you would like to see next. Bye guys!